This is Microair W26. It's a 1250 taka priced smartwatch and it's almost like an Apple Watch. Besides that, the most interesting part is you can talk with this smartwatch. Shout out to Gadgetwala Select for providing me this review unit, and you can get all kind of gadgets from them. So go check them out, their Facebook page and group. Now let's check what's inside the box. In the box, you will get the watch itself, the user manuals, and a magnetic charging cable. Like most of the smartwatches, Microair doesn't provide any charging adapter, so you just have to charge it with your phone's adapter. Its body material is zinc alloy, which gives the watch a premium look, and the 1.75 HD IPS 2.5D curved display panel with the resolution of 320 x 385 pixels. There is a dial button to the right side of the watch. Though the dial button spins, but it only works by pressing the button. Below that, there is a microphone which you can talk with. Glossy finish on the back of the watch, so its backside will not rust. There is a speaker to the left side of it. You can use it to hear the call from it and also listen to the music. The straps have a rubbery finish and also removable, which is a nice addition as you can change the straps anytime. Besides that, it's also IP68 certified water resistant and runs in the water too. When it comes to the user interface, we have dual UI mode in the watch. One is like Apple Watch style and another is grid style. Apple style UI looks cool, but there is one caveat, and that is the UI doesn't work smoothly. You can see this UI is having trouble to respond accordingly to the touch. But no worries, you can change it from the menu style. Just swipe down from the top and change the smart style to 9 apps. By left swipe, you will get all of sports exercise there. And by selecting them, you can track your activity. By swipe down, you can see the information of the watch, battery indicator, and a QR code to download the app mActive, which is available on Play Store. Basically, these smartwatches are OEM based, which means those are manufactured by one company and later many companies sell them by putting their name on it. That is the reason behind the same feature of these smartwatches. By swiping from right, you will get the menu. Here you will have the phone book option if you have connected your mobile with the watch. Then comes the most interesting feature, which is talking with the smartwatch. Earlier I have mentioned about the microphone and the speaker of it. So you can dial and call with the watch and talk with this microphone. I was wondering to see such tech working in real life, and this is very handy. Anyway, there is a call log also, so you can check the call history. Also, there is a message option where you can check all of the messages of your phone. Here, you will see the list of connected devices. Beside them, you will get the step counting, sleep tracking, heart rating, and ECG. Though those sensors are not very accurate, but you will get the result. You can set an alarm if you are sitting for a long time. Moreover, you can see the calendar, control the music, and also the watch can be used as a shutter button of your camera. The Microair W26 has a 28 mAh lithium polymer battery, which gives around 30 days of standby backup and 7 days of using time. The battery takes almost 2.5 hours to fully charge using the magnetic charger. This smartwatch has good looking display and awesome calling feature. And there is also some room for improvement. Overall, it's a decent smartwatch in this budget range. If you have enjoyed this video, do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. My name is Siman. I'll catch you guys in the next one.